Your oven door looks clean from the outside. But right now, between those two glass panels, there's a graveyard of grease, burnt food, and black mold that has been sitting there for years. You cannot reach it with a cloth. You cannot spray it. You try, and you fail every single time. The disgusting brown film just laughs at you from behind the glass. And the worst part? The oven manufacturers know exactly how to fix this. They have always known. But if you knew this trick, you would never call a repair technician again. You would never buy an expensive oven cleaning kit again. Stay until the end because the last tip will genuinely shock you. It costs nothing. It uses something already in your kitchen. And it works in under 20 minutes. Let me paint you a picture. You have guests coming over. You clean your entire kitchen, counter spotless, sink gleaming, floor shining. Then someone walks over to your oven and looks at the door, and right there, between the glass, is a swamp of brown grease, streaks, and black burnt residue that looks absolutely disgusting. You cannot wipe it away. You cannot ignore it. It is trapped behind 2 layers of glass like a disgusting display case. You scrub the outside glass. Nothing changes. You spray expensive oven cleaner on it. The streaks just sit there, mocking you. You have spent money on Mr. Muscle, on specialty oven sprays, on those overpriced foam cleaners that promise miracles and deliver nothing. People spend anywhere from $20 to $80 on cleaning products every single year just for their oven door. And the glass between the panels never gets clean. Not once. Some people call a repair technician to disassemble the door. That costs $150 to $300 just for labor. Others buy a brand new oven door panel for $200 or more. And some people just give up and live with it. That brown, foggy, streaked glass becomes a permanent feature of their kitchen. They stop inviting people over. They feel embarrassed every time they walk past it. That was me. That was my neighbor. That is probably you right now. And here's what makes me genuinely angry. The solution costs almost nothing. It has always been available. And the reason you did not know about it is not an accident. What I am about to show you was quietly buried decades ago. Back in the 1960s and 1970s, appliance companies were in a war. They were all competing to make their products seem more complicated than they actually were. The more complicated something seemed, the more you needed them. You needed their repair services. You needed their branded cleaning products. You needed their technicians. You needed their replacement parts. They spent serious money making sure that average homeowners believed oven maintenance required professional help. Internal documents from appliance industry lobbying groups in the early 1970s actually discussed strategies to discourage what they called self-service cleaning behavior. They wanted you dependent. They wanted you calling their helpline. They wanted you booking their service visits at $200 a time. Only a tiny fraction of people ever figured this out on their own. They shared it in small forums, in community Facebook groups, and quiet corners of the internet where big brand advertising dollars could not reach. That is exactly where I found this. And the reason it works so well is because of basic physics that these companies rely on you not understanding. Oven door panels are designed to be disassembled, every single one. There is a small slot, a gap, or a set of screws at the bottom of your oven door that the manufacturers deliberately make look complicated. They are not complicated. That gap at the bottom of the door is your entry point. And what you push through it is something so simple, it will make you furious that you spent a single dollar on any cleaning product before this moment. You need 3 things: a wire hanger, a microfiber cloth, and your choice of either white vinegar mixed with a few drops of dish soap or a paste made from baking soda and water. That is it. Straighten the wire hanger, but leave a small hook at one end. Cut a strip of microfiber cloth about 4 inches wide and 6 inches long. Wrap that cloth strip tightly around the hooked end of the hanger and secure it. You just made a cleaning wand that costs you nothing and reaches places no product on the shelf ever could. Now mix your cleaning solution. If you use vinegar and dish soap, soak your cloth wand in it and squeeze out the excess so it is damp but not dripping. If you prefer baking soda paste, apply it directly onto the cloth before you attach it. Look at the bottom edge of your oven door. You will see a narrow slot or a small opening running along the width. Some ovens have 2 visible screws on the inner door panel that you can loosen slightly to create a gap. Do not remove them fully. Just loosen enough to create an opening. Slide your cloth wand into that slot and move it slowly from left to right along the inside surface of the outer glass panel. Use slow, deliberate strokes. You will feel the resistance of the grease and grime immediately. Keep going. Do this 3 times across, then flip your wand, use the clean side, and go again. Pull the wand out, look at the cloth. You will see brown, black, and yellow residue transferring onto it. Make a fresh wand with a clean cloth section, and repeat with a small amount of plain water to rinse the surface. Give it one final pass with a completely dry cloth section. Then tighten any screws you loosened. Close the oven door. Step back. The glass will be clear. Not better, not improved, clear. Like the day it was installed. Every streak gone, every grease shadow gone, that black mold along the edges gone. Your oven door will look brand new, and it cost you a wire hanger and a cloth you already owned. The first time I did this, I stood in my kitchen for almost a minute, just staring at the door because I could not believe I had lived with that filth for 3 years when the solution took 18 minutes. Here's the tip that will stay with you. To stop this from ever happening again, every 6 months, take a dry cloth wand and run it through that same slot before any grease has a chance to bake on and harden. 30 seconds of prevention completely eliminates the problem forever. No products, no technicians, no expensive replacement parts, just 30 seconds twice a year. If this saved you money today, hit that like button right now. Not for me, for the algorithm, because that is how this information reaches the next person who is scrubbing their oven door in frustration, not knowing there is a better way. Subscribe, because next week I'm exposing another secret that the appliance industry has kept hidden about your refrigerator door seal and the black mold growing inside it right now that your regular cleaning spray cannot touch. And the final shocking tip I promised you? That baking soda paste you just used on your oven glass works on the inside of your oven as a completely non-toxic alternative to every chemical spray on the market. Apply it at night, leave it, wipe it in the morning. Your oven will look showroom clean. You already have everything you need. You always did.